What is a community? A community is a group of people who care, rely, and work together. Community starts with us, but it's not just us. The smallest community that all of us are a part of is our family. When you have a lot of families in one place, we start to see a community like a neighborhood pop up. Neighborhoods are made up of lots of different families, each doing different things. A lot of smaller neighborhoods make up a city, and a lot of cities, at least in the United States where we live, make up a state. All the states make up our country. We live in a state of Indiana, but there are 49 other states. Our country is not the only one in the world, though. In fact, it's not the only one on this continent. A continent is a large piece of land that has multiple countries on it. So, we're here in the United States. To the north is a different community, a different country, Canada. And to the south, you have Mexico and other countries. But North America, the continent we live on, is not the only continent in the world. The world is a very big place. There are multiple continents: North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Eurasia. And together, there's a lot more than just us. There's everyone. Community starts with me and you. And we're part of a family. And our family is part of a neighborhood. And if we zoom out, we'll see that multiple neighborhoods make up a city. And multiple cities make up a state that we live in. But what exactly makes our community unique from all the others that exist? But what makes our community unique? Well, things like geographical location, the arts, the people who live there, things like music and local culture, all contribute to making Elkhart and Goshen and Napanee and all the surrounding areas in Elkhart County a very unique place. So, what makes our community so unique? Well, let's take a look. The Elkhart River runs all the way through Elkhart County and is 55 miles long. It's also home to lots of fish, and it's a popular spot for people who like to go boating or fishing. About the arts, Elkhart makes a huge commitment to the arts. We have many murals featured in downtown Elkhart and other locations around the county. You might have seen the caribou going around. They're just one example of this. You can see the art murals in this picture, and there's also a massive musical festival every year that celebrates the art of jazz. Many bands come out for that. And the people, you, me, all of our neighbors, just like people gathered here for this special concert, all are part of this community and all contribute to making it special. But what part do we play? What makes what we do so special? Why do we matter in our community? Well, when we're looking at the context of being part of a community, it's not about you, it's not about me, it's about we working together as one. So let's take a look one more time. So once more time, what is a community? Well, a community is people who live together and have things in common. Whether it's your family, your school, your neighborhood, or people you know in the city, or even in the state. Community doesn't just stop with us. It's all of us.